Hey guys, Josh here. Today we are going to do the next video in our series, so where we're going to talk about flag limits. The last video we talked about the FTR, the failure to return, and this one we're going to talk about flag limits. And a flag limit, guys, is pretty much a failure to return that's been tested and proven to hold price down or up. It's been tested and it's shown that there are enough orders there to push price down or up, depending on the direction of the um, engulf from the original FTR. So I'm going to start with a quick schematic on a flag limit. So typically with a flag limit, we start with a key area, just as we did with the FTR. Um, and What we want to do is we want to see that key area broken, and then we want to see a retrace, and then we want to see price shoot up, just like we talked about in our FTR. And what this does is this creates the FTR, but then once price retests our FTR and it makes a higher high, so a high higher than the high that engulfed price, this what was once the FTR now becomes a flag limit. And this is an example of a bullish flag limit. Now, we're going to take a look at a bearish flag limit, which works the same. We have a key level, and price breaks our key level, and price retraces, and then it continues down. At this point, we have an FTR. But then once price comes back and tests our FTR, and then price goes lower, we get a lower low made, then what was once an FTR now becomes a flag limit. Now, that's one way that flag limits can be created. It can be created on the break of a significant support or resistance key level. Another way it can be it could we can make a flag limit is when price breaks another flag limit. So let's say, which is known as the swap of the flag limit. So let's say price breaks this flag limit and price retraces, makes a lower low. Now we have a swap flag limit, which is just another flag limit in the opposing direction. And we can see the same thing here once our bearish flag limit gets engulfed. Price pulls back higher. This is now our new swap flag limit. Now, before we get into the charts, we want to talk a little bit about how flag limits are constructed and what exactly is going on with the flag limit. So basically, in a flag limit, price is limited. We're limiting price inside of this area is being limited by orders on that side and orders on that side. There are orders on each side of the flag limit that's limiting price inside of that flag limit. Once it's broken, like in this case, we were limited here. There were orders on this side and this side. The orders broke. Once we cleared the orders here, cleared the orders there and created that new flag limit, the orders were transferred from this flag limit to this flag limit. And now this is our new area of interest right here. This is our new flag limit. This is where we're looking for a price to react next time it gets here. Now, let's take a quick look in the charts and we will take a look at some flag limits. Here, we have a flag limit. We have an area here, have key level here. Price broke our key level, engulfed it, retraced, made a higher high, came back, made a higher high. This area did what's known as held price up. So this would be considered a flag limit. What happened? Price broke it. It stayed above it. We engulfed it here. And what did we do? We created a swap flag limit here. So we go to from the base of the retrace, we go from the base of the engulf all the way to the top of the retrace. So this is our new swap flag limit. And what do we see? We see when price came back to our flag limit that it pushed price down. Another example, let's see here. We have another example here. We actually have some compression here, which we'll talk about in a video, but we're not going to talk about that in a video today. Click here. But we have an area here that we broke in a key area here. We got a break of this level here. Price. And this level, guys, this is a level that I'm not going to talk about in a video today. It's a level that we talk about in our advanced Discord group. It's pretty much the QM level, but I'm not going to go into details on that. This flag limit was created off of that level. And what did we see? We saw price broke the level, retraced, broke down, we tested it, made it lower low. This is our flag limit here. And then what do we have over here? We have our swap flag limit was created here. We broke it, pulled back, and retrace and continue that direction. So we will have another flag limit here. And guys, we don't expect every flag limit to work because because of the order flow in the market, certain things can happen to cause certain flag limits to break. We talk about this is another topic that we do talk about in our advanced Discord, which flag limit is going to hold, how do we know it's going to hold? How do we know that it's not going to hold? It's all based on what price did before approaching our flag limit. Like we can see here that this one broke. There was a reason why price actually went to a different level that we're not going to talk about in this video. Another example of a flag limit here. I mean, guys, they're all over. This is an area here. We can see here, this level held price up. We broke. Let's see here. We broke to the left. We actually broke into this area here. That was it. Price broke into our compression zone over there, which we'll talk about in a later video. It engulfed it, pulled back, continued up. We got the retest and we got the higher high made. This was our flag limit. And then what happened afterwards? We got price. We could go down to the lower time frame and see the exact level that turned price here, but for the purpose of this video, we're going to keep it very simple. Price engulfed it, it came down, and then we had our swap flag limit created here. And we can see on the return, we did get a reaction of this flag limit. So guys, this is a really quick video that I wanted to put together on flag limits. If you have any questions, be sure to ask whatever questions you have in the Discord group. And we'll be back with more material. Hope you enjoyed this quick, short video, but very important video because flag limits are where the orders are. Take care. Talk to you next time.